Good morning students. In previous class we have learnt dividing 2-digit number by 2-digit numbers. Now in this class let us learn about dividing 3-digit number by 2-digit numbers. Okay, dividing 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Here divider will be 3-digit number and divisor will be 2-digit number. Now let us explain one example for you to understand easily. For example, 424 divided by 12 is there. 424 divided by 12. In previous class we did big process and we did shortcut also. Now here this 2-digit number is there and it is in between 11 to 20 is there. So if you get 11 to in between 11 to 20, then you can do directly this process only. Okay, here 12 is there, so we have to write 12 table here. Okay, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120. Okay, now let us write this one. 424 divided by 12. Okay, look here children, in division we will do from this side. What is the digit here? 4. 4 is less than 12. Yes, so we have to take 2 digits. 42. Okay, 42 is greater than 12. So in 12 table we will get 42? No. Before 42 which number will get? Yes, 36. When we get 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36. So we will write here 12 threes are 36. Now we have to do subtraction. When you are writing these, you have to write in a line. Okay, do subtraction. From 2 we cannot subtract 6, so we have to take borrow. It will be 12. This 4 will become 3. 12 minus 6 is 6 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, up to here we have completed. Now we have to take these 4 here. Okay, it will be 64. 64. In 12 table we will get 64. No, we will get 12 fives are 60. Yes, so we will write here directly 12 fives are 60. Now we have to do subtraction. 4 minus 0 is 4. 6 minus 6 is 0. Here the quotient is 35 and the remainder is 4. Quotient is 35 and the remainder is 4. In the question they gave dividend as 424, divisor as 12. Okay, now let's do check. What is the formula for check? S. Capital D, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, therefore 35 into 12 plus 4. Look, 35 into 12. 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 3s are 6, 7, 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are 3, 0, 7 plus 5 is 12, 3 plus 1 is 4, 420 plus this 4, 4, 2, 4. Therefore, we got 424. Dividend S. We got this dividend only S. If you get this dividend here, then the answer is correct. How you will do check? Yes, we have to multiply these two and we have to add the remainder. Like this you have to do the problems. Now I will explain one more example for you. For example, 986 divided by 18 is there. 986 divided by 18. To do this problem, we have to write 18 table here. 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72, 18 fives are 90, 18 6 are 108, 18 7 are 126, 18 8 are 144, 18 9 are 162, 18 10 are 180. Okay. Now 986 divided by 18. Okay. In what is the digit here? 9. 9 is less than 18. So we have to take two digits. 98 is greater than 18. So we can take this 98 here. In this table we get 98. No. We got 90. When we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 18 5s are 90. So 18 5s are 90. Okay. 8 minus 0 is 8. 9 minus 9 is 0. Now we have to take these 6 here down. Okay. In 18 table we got 86. No. We got 72. Okay. When we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 18 4s are 72. 6 minus 2 is 4 and 8 minus 7 is 1. Here we got remainder. Always you have to check. Remainder is less than divisor. 14 is less than 18. Okay. Now we will do check. Here this 54 is a quotient and 986 is a dividend and 18 is a divisor. D is equal to small d into Q plus R. Okay. Now small d. What is small d? 18 into 54 plus 14. Let's do this. 54 into 18 how much? 8 4s are? Yes, 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 3 is 43. 1 4s are 4. 1 5s are 5. Now add this. 2, 3 plus 4 is 7. 4 plus 5 is 9. 972. Okay. Now we have to add this 14 here. We'll get 2 plus 4 is 6, 7 plus 1 is 8 and 9 will write here. Then we'll get 986. We got here dividend. So the answer is correct. Okay. So the answer is correct. Like this you have to write the table and you have to do division and you have to do check also. Okay. Very simple. We have to multiply these two and we have to add this remainder to the answer. Then we have to get this middle dividend. If you not get this, then that answer will be wrong. Okay. Now look at textbook page number 133, exercise 8. Okay. Here these all are 2-digit numbers only and that are below 20 only. So you can do directly. If you get 20 tables perfectly, then you can do this very easily. Now I will explain a question. Okay. Look here, 345 divided by 15 is there. 345 divided by 15. To do this problem, we have to get 15 table. So now I will write here 15 table. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 8s are 120, 15 9s are 135, 15 10s are 150. Okay. Now we'll do. Here 345 is the dividend and 15 is the divisor. So we'll write like this. 345 here 15. Okay. First we'll take 3. 3 is less than 15. So we have to take 2 digits. 34. 34 is greater than 15. Okay. Now we can do this. So look here in this table 34 is there. No. 30 is there. So 15 twos are 30. Okay. Now we will do subtraction. 4 minus 0 is 4, and you have to write this 5 here. Okay, in 15 table we got 45. Yes, here it is. So 15 3s are 45. 45 minus 45 is 0. Here this 23 is quotient is equal to 23, remainder is equal to 0. Capital D is equal to 345, small d equal to 15. Now we'll do check. Okay, check. What is the formula for check? Yes, capital D equal to small d into quotient plus remainder. Okay, what divisor we got? 15 into quotient 23 plus 0. Now we have to multiply these two, then we have to get this dividend. Okay, 23 into 15. 5 3s are 15. 1 carry 5 here. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 3 1s are 3. 1 2s are 2. 5 4. 1 plus 2 is 3. 345. We got this dividend. Yes, so the answer is correct. Like this you have to do in your fair notes. Everyone must and should write table here. Okay, do exercise 8 total problems from A to H in your fair notes. Okay, thank you.